This is a video introducing the key features of HealSmart 7.5 quart large capacity air fryer. It helps give you an overview. Of course. If you want to learn all the features, follow the link in the video description. Let's start by learning about the key features of 8-in-1 multiple preset functions. This air fryer has 8 preset functions. Just put the ingredients into the air fryer and click the button, and you can wait for the delicious food to be served. This will save you a lot of time and energy. Large capacity, 7.5 quart super large capacity, suitable for both home use and group meals, maximizing cooking efficiency. Oversized visual window. The innovative visible window enables you to monitor the progress of food in real time without opening the air fryer, eliminating the need to open the lid for heat dissipation and ensuring the perfect taste of each batch of food. Precise temperature control and low-fat cooking. This air fryer can be set to the exact temperature according to your needs. Moreover, the air frying technology reduces fat by 85%, allowing you to enjoy a crispy and oil-free texture. Dishwasher safety. The frying basket is made of non-stick material and its components are detachable, making cleaning a breeze. Whether you are air frying or baking, you can put it in the dishwasher for cleaning. You can click the subscribe button and select the bell to receive instant notifications when future videos are uploaded. See you in the next video. Thank you.